I got a CarQuest Wearever Platinum Professional brake pad set with brake clips for my 2014 Altima, and I installed them. When I put the tire back on and started driving, things started squealing like real nasty. I traced it back and I realized that this tab here contacting the rotor, this one I bent. You can see there's some clearance now. I'll probably bend it some more, but it was touching that rotor. If you look at the top one, that one I haven't bent, and you can see how they rub. Virtually all the clips do this with this set, and it's a real disappointing thing to discover. So if you're going to get this kit, make sure these tabs are clearing properly, and CarQuest should really get on this.